it's Dan again, Silver Fox Safaris. I'm here with Chris Wood of Wood Wildlife Studio here in San Angelo, Texas. As you can see, Chris does beautiful work. He's done all my mounts. He is the best there is to offer countrywide, I'm telling you. If you need good taxidermy work, this is the place to come. Chris, tell us about your studio.
Well, we're here in San Angelo, Texas. We've got a 3,600 square foot studio. We do international trophies, domestic, anything from anywhere. It's a everyday challenge, which is fun because Dan keeps us quite busy with all the different animals he's shooting.
And Chris, how long have you been here?
I've been at this location for 10 years. I've been doing taxidermy for 18 years.
And I'm telling you guys, he is the best. I've been hunting with this guy. He does all my mounts.
Always.
So if you need him, what's your website, Chris?
Go to woodwildlifestudio.com, or you can call us here at the office at 325-301-9793. Give us a call. We can answer any of your questions, get you set up to go on a safari. Whatever you need, we can make it happen.
I can tell you he does. Thank you, Chris. Always a pleasure.
Appreciate it.
The mounts have arrived. This is Chris from Wood Wildlife Studio, San Angelo, Texas. We are thrilled. He's got a boatload of mounts for me from prior hunts, and he's the best taxidermist you're going to meet on the planet. Silver Fox Safaris exclusively does work with him. So Chris, tell us about your operation.
Well, my name's Chris Wood. I've been in the taxidermy industry for 18 years now. We do animals from all over the world. Lots of stuff out of Texas, lots of stuff from just about anywhere you can dream of. We're located in San Angelo, Texas. We've got about a 4,000 square foot building right now. Always looking to get bigger and grow. We've been doing work with Dan and for quite a while now.
3 or 4 years.
Yeah.
3 or 4 years.
Been on some exciting hunts. But no, look us up at woodwildlifestudio.com. Go directly to our website and contact us through the website. You give us a phone call. All the information is right there on the website.
Okay, so let's see what we got.
I'm going to open this for some more light.
Beautiful. Look at that black buck.
That turned out really pretty. Anyway, I added some of the purple. Some of the give it color.
Oh, that's fantastic. This is my stag.
That's your stag.
Looks good. And that looks fantastic.
The whitewater buffalo, the oryx are all up here.
Oh my gosh. Do their horns come off, Chris?
No.
Okay.
Those are the.
These are all done. Have I?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're 100% paid up. Everything in here is all good.
Look at this. This Watusi is great. That's
that last water buffalo.
water buffalo. Okay, so there's two Watusis.
This one, well, if you want to call that was that cow.
Okay.
That smaller cow that they.
That's what. Oh, he is beautiful.
See, I tried to give you a little.
Yeah, it looks great. How strong are those legs?
They're double nutted. So I mean, it has a wire that's. You might fit that in the front. And it's all out of the way.
Can we get this up front coming out of the way?
Show that one off. I mean, he'll fit.
Can you go on the wall?
That's awesome.
Oh, Dad.
Sweet.